exhibitors. Doors will be opening to the public in 10 minutes.
There's just a lot that goes into this. It's actually quite an intense process. The setup was more about the aesthetics of where we're going to place things as opposed to what we had to build. We spanned around 3 to 4 weeks of prep work, so whether that be from landing pages to marketing content, the stands themselves. So all of these were actually pre-made in our factory, and then we brought them over on a truck. So one of the most important things that we do is the B2B stuff here. The idea of these things is to also create connections between pool suppliers, to pool builders, to landscapers, etc. So this gives us a really good opportunity to kind of get right in front of them when they're in business growth mode. It's a really good space for us to actually interact with other people in our industry and actually find out more about their business and how we can help each other. A great part about this is that we do get to see some awesome innovation in the industry. So there's companies like Halo Spas who have brought out really unique and cool spas that are physically different to what you would see typically with swim spas. There's some great sauna companies who brought out patented products, which is keeping our consumers really engaged in what we actually do.